Hey everybody. People who ship eggs and chicks really hurting right now. There's a live animal embargo going on at the post office, if you haven't heard already. And lots of small breeders, especially those in Texas, are really struggling to stay afloat right now. So if you have an order in with a small local breeder or just a small breeder anywhere in the country, please be patient with them, and asking for refunds is just like killing them right now. None of the bigger hatcheries can ship either, and I think this includes eggs and not just live chicks. Up here in the north where I am, I don't have any chicks coming until like April at the earliest, because it's simply too cold here for chicks and eggs to arrive safely in the mail anyway. But because of all the absolutely crazy weather in Texas due to climate change, people cannot mail any eggs or chicks out. There is an embargo from the post office. So they have all these chicks that they've hatched because they have hatching schedules and they can't get them out. And people's orders are behind, and they're not happy. No one's happy on either end of this at all. At all. So, I guess please be patient with your chicks and eggs, whatever you're planning on having sent this year. They can't predict the weather, and I'm not at the level where I send out hatching eggs right now, but have a little understanding and empathy for the farms that are trying to get everybody's next generation of birds out to them as quickly as possible.